All right, all right. Happy 2026, everyone. Oh man, it's been a bit. I apologize for not uploading any content in a while. It's just been really busy. Things going on in my life, and just work's been really busy. If you don't know, like trading, I do it full time, but I have a full time job. So sometimes that other main job gets in the way of me uploading content, and YouTube is it's a pain in the ass. I gotta tell you. But I enjoy it. I enjoy giving you guys some feedback and sharing some comments. But yeah, I mean, so let's see. So we had the holidays. So December. December was pretty good. So both my day trading futures have improved, and my options have done pretty well. For the options, last time I showed you, we had some calendars, and those all made profit. So I had some calendars out there, made $500 a contract on those back in December. And let's see, I don't have my portfolio up right now, but what I have done is I'm still holding XRP. I did buy a little bit of the T triple Qs on a little move up last week, holding that for a couple days. We'll see what happens in the market. Probably not I don't know. We'll see what the market does, but still got some treasury bills. I did add to SoFi. So SoFi was my best stock last year. I think I made like almost 14K on that one name. So I'm getting back into that, selling some puts, got some shares, got earnings coming up. So we'll see what happens there. Um, Couple dividends, small pieces of Bitcoin, and I sold an E-mini put that's up $200 right now. It was up 400, but the market kind of retraces. So I'll share that stuff next video for you guys. But for today, we'll talk about futures. So I got no, sorry, four funded accounts. Okay, so I got a Buellnox funded, I got a Legends funded, I got Take Profit funded, and then you don't see it, but on the other screen I have tick plays through Prop Shop. I had this Prop Shop traded copier set up where I was using the ETP copier, and it would send those trades from Ninja to the Prop Shop account. But that thing's all effed up. I mean, it's got some issues. I got to maybe my settings are not working, but I've just been using their Tick Blaze platform, which is okay. Um, but I've been doing that separately. I'm not going to go down the rabbit hole of prop shop news, but basically they've changed a bunch of crap. And I took an eval, a 25K eval, passed it, right? Now funded, but they changed the funding rules. And long story short, my goal is like, I don't know, $100 a day on that account, hopefully getting a payout maybe in 30 days. I don't know. Um, I'm not real happy with that. You can, search the Google and the market just closed. uh, the interwebs to see what's going on there. I'll have more information about that later. But anyway, let's go down. So today was a pretty good day. If we look at what accounts we traded some Buellnox. I got a couple of blown accounts for sure. I think I blew one right here. This is the only account I blew today. I was playing with some gold. If you're part of the TTP membership and you're familiar with our bots and stuff, I was playing with some settings. And I knew I was going to blow this account up, so I didn't really care too much. This is one of those $15 ones from Buellnox, which is a good way to kind of if you want to gamble or something. But I was testing some of that stuff out, and yeah, so we got a couple $100 here. A lot of these trades are discretionary, and some of them I've made with some other strategies, but so far not too bad of a day. These take profits, I think those have another week left. So I need to like pick up the pace on the take profits. I need another 2,000 some dollars at least from funded. So this is the account dashboard um, that's saying how much I have to funded. So 15, 17, 15. So yeah, I got a little ways to work on those. Um, But yeah, so I'm going to focus on the take profits because I do want to get more funded accounts. I have the one, but and I was down a little bit today on it. Kind of sucks. I don't know what I was thinking, but got into a bad trade, so I'll repair that tomorrow, hopefully. Um, this funded with Legends is working out pretty good. up a little bit on that. Beal knocks him up. I think that one's up like $800. So I think another 1,500. I might take a payout. But yeah. So anyway, we're green today, doing pretty well, and I'll start trading some more tomorrow. But I'll be a little careful because tomorrow we have some news about the Supreme Court and tariffs. So, but I did want to give you guys a quick update. I'm still trading, I'm still here. If you are interested in hearing more about my results and kind of my style of trading, feel free to comment down below. If there's something you want me to focus on. But for now, I just do this and some options. One update is I took a pause on trading overnight because what I've found is if you're running some of the bots on the overnight session, specifically gold and crude, some of the specifically Buell knocks, the data has been really like causing some issues. And if you're relying on these accounts, like if you're relying on Rhythmic, I wouldn't trust Rhythmic right now. There's some major issues going on that is causing some major discrepancies on the fills and some ghost orders. So I'm gonna wait and I'll trade the overnight session maybe in a couple days when those issues resolve. Try it out again, but I wouldn't put anything like real value on that Rhythmic account for right now. Okay, I think that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.